Welcome to Perth, ladies and gentlemen. The local time is 2:18 in the afternoon on Monday, 9th of January. The temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Do note that Australian authorities do not permit mobile phones to be used until customs is cleared. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and remember to remove your personal belongings from the seat pocket. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. It's been our pleasure serving you. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines and member Star Alliance.